Hey everybody, it's James here from Skies Limit Car Care, and today we're talking about the Microfiber Madness Incredipole. So, what is the Microfiber Madness Incredipole? This is it's in the name, washing pole that can extend out and allow you to reach those hard to reach places on your vehicles, allow you a more ergonomical grip, and not force you to have to bend down to wash lower areas consistently when you're washing a vehicle. But what makes this pole different from others on the market is, one, it's made by the geniuses at Microfiber Madness using high quality materials, super soft microfiber, and parts that aren't going to break on you. And two, the construction is very intuitive for reuse. So it's extremely easy for you to take off the wash cover, to clean and maintain the entire unit. And we're going to go over through today a little bit more about the functional pieces of this, how to put it together, how it comes in the box, so that way when you guys get your own Microfiber Madness Incredipole, you'll be ready to use it and know exactly how to use it in its best function as soon as it arrives on your door. All right, so the first thing that I want to talk about today is the construction of the Incredipole. So most of the times when you think about this, you think of, okay, it's a wash pad at the end of a broomstick. Absolutely not. If you know anything about the brand that we support so much here through our company and on the channel, Microfiber Madness, they spared no details when it came to this pole here. So the pole is completely made out of aluminum and then high-grade plastic brackets that allow it to use its telescopic ability. The aluminum is actually sourced from a small company in Germany. So this is completely made and designed in Germany, and it actually supports small businesses even there. So it's got two sections here, so you can decide exactly how far or how large you need the pole to be. When it's completely shortened, it sits at about 2 feet long with the head attachment on it, and then fully extended, it actually reaches all the way up to just about 5 feet. So it gives you some significant distance, but it's not too long to the point where, especially when this is filled with water, you're not having to completely wave it around or have a heavy offset that you're dealing with. This section of the tool is the Incredipole plate cover. So this is actually what holds the wash pad, the foam inner layer, as well as the plastic housing that attaches to the pole. We actually sell this unit separately on our site for those that already have the pole or might need a replacement for this. We will let you know now there are some people that are interested in just the head assembly to try to put it on their own pole that they might have at home. It is doable, so I'll show you exactly the kind of housing here, but you're going to have to be very specific and understand the kind of pole that you have in order for it to work, because this was designed to just work with the Microfiber Madness Incredipole itself. So when you actually take a look at the assembly, it's got two functioning units that lock it into the aluminum pole. So here, this is the end of the cover. You can actually see that there's going to be a small hole right here. That is where the locking pin will actually slide through there and the aluminum tool to connect it into. And then we actually also have a threaded unit that as it threads onto the head, it tightens itself around the pole. So when you go to assemble this kit, you'll go ahead and take the threaded bracket, insert it around the aluminum pole, take the head, slide it over the top. At this point, this is where I would take the locking pin, insert that into the pin section here, and it will go through the pole and through the plastic housing. And then from there, you'll use the plastic coupling to go ahead and then tighten the head of the Incredipole to the pole itself. And then from there, it's going to be completely locked in just like that. Some cool things about this is this actually fits perfectly right into a 5-gallon bucket. We did a little demo wash on Josh's car here outside to show you the product in action. Fits right into a 5-gallon bucket. If you have a grit guard on the bottom, doesn't matter. And then even if you have the grit guard washboard, the Microfiber Madness Incredipole can still fit into that unit just like that. The cover, so when you're done washing and you can maintain your tool, comes right off of the end itself via some Velcro, and then you can wash this just like any of your other microfibers to take care of it. If you know anything about Microfiber Madness, you take care of your microfiber, it's going to last for years and years and years. If anything were to happen this, we actually also just sell the replacements. So you can just purchase the Incredipole cover replacements if you so choose to. When you're looking at the assembly without the cover, we have a dense foam that will still absorb some liquid. That's what helps give it such a dense, in addition to the microfiber, such a dense capability to hold water. There's that Velcro tab there that'll connect onto, and then putting the cover right back on. It's easy as just slipping it over and then pulling it back on and then attaching it to the Velcro. So the fibers of the Microfiber Madness Incredipole are the same that you'll find on the Incredi line of Microfiber Madness products. So the Incredimit, Incredipad, Incredisponge, same type of material. If you know, these are the products that we recommend most for people's finishes. It's the safest microfiber that we found on the market. So anytime that you're looking for a high quality wash mitt that is not going to scratch your paint, Microfiber Madness is the way to go. The last thing I want to address before I close up here is actually the swivel head. So the swivel moves basically back and forth, left and right, and then depending on how you shift the pole, it will kind of follow gravity and droop to the bottom. So some people prefer their pad to be rigid. The reason why Microfiber Madness didn't design it like that is in order to be able to better reach roofs or to help follow the guidelines and the panels of your wash. So I will say it does you have to get used to it if you're used to your traditional wash pad. But what I found after using this is that it offers a lot more of an ergonomical design. I don't feel like I'm scrubbing or going to be pushing or scratching anything into my paint. It really allows the surface just to kind of glide over the sides and the panels of the car. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the Incredipole kit or the plate cover, feel free to shoot us any messages down below. Give our office a call or shoot us an email. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, you guys have a great day.